Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you around the beautiful Wexford Lavender Farm, which is in County Wexford. It's a really fun family day out and you can take in the beautiful fragrance and field after field of lavender plants, and there's plenty else to do around there, and I've written it all down in a blog post which I'll leave down below, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know where else in County Wexford you'd like me to show you around. So let me show you around the beauty of the Wexford Lavender Farm. There's also woodland walks in a number of different directions around the farm, so you can really make a day of it and enjoy a walk along through the woodlands and just enjoy the beauty of the outdoors of County Wexford. Just keep an eye on the farm's social media pages for updated opening hours and when the farm is in full bloom, so you can make the most of the beauty. Admission to the Wexford Lavender Farm is €5 per car. You can pay on the day or pre-book a parking space online, which is recommended during the busier times. Once you've had a nice look around the farm, there's also a shop that you can have a little browse around, and there's a number of lavender products, and there's also a cafe with a choice of cakes, scones and coffee that you can enjoy at the outdoor tables. So that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know if you've been to the Wexford Lavender Farm and where else you'd like me to show you around County Wexford. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.